Hey you! So, I just want you to understand that just because you come out of a particular situation because you're not good for you, no mean you're not a good person. See? We outgrow people and we outgrow situations and things that, that are not doing us any justice. And nothing wrong if you realize that you are compressed and you realize that, whatever situation you're in, you hold you down. The fact is, if you need to grow, you need to grow. And nothing wrong, you outgrow friends. We can outgrow friends, we outgrow relationships, we outgrow people, outgrow jobs, we outgrow. Think about this. When you the little, your shoes like this size. Now, when it squeezes you buy a bigger shoes. Same with life. You know what I mean? And there's a reference I want to talk to you about. Plants in pots. After a while, the roots are going to spread. And while the roots spreading, if you don't uproot that plant and put it in a bigger pot, that plant will die. Here is a plant flourishing nice in the pot and stuff. And then here is a dead bush over here. So the difference is not because we never water it. It's because it's a possibility that this pot resembles your life and the fact that you need to outgrow and you need to spread your roots. So go a bigger pot. You know what I mean? And then it was green and nice at that one. Yeah. Alright, yeah man. Then to that later.